the master and the slaves, and I went to go do a pass now, and it's still struggling to take the gears. I'm not sure what it is. Euro's currently, he's messing with the clutch pedal again to see, because it seems like it's not fully disengaging or engaging?
Disengaging.
It's not fully disengaging. And driving back in the return road, it like kind of grinds the gears a little bit. You probably see in the GoPro video. Kind of new to all this stuff, so we're still learning as we go. But let's see if we try to find something.
I gave it all the rod it has. I don't think it's long enough, because you never feel the clutch fully disengage and then go a little bit more. It's just like it needs more travel.
What will we do to
make a custom rod for the slave, a longer rod. Because right now, if I keep loosening it, the thing that threads into the pedal, it's gonna start doing this. So that's not good, because you can fall out.
It's weird though, because it's still all Miata stuff. Like none of that changed at all.
I think that the throttle bearing might have to change to a thicker one. If I had to use a thicker throttle bearing to make up the spacing between the transmission and the clutch. That's what I'm thinking.
Because the adapter plate is like a few inches.
We already have full length on the slave, but it's not still fully pressing, so maybe a bigger throttle bearing that will make up the gap. Put some smaller tires in the back, 23x8s, to see if it'll get some wheel speed off of it. We're gonna try these and see if it at least get a 60 foot out of it, even if the clutch doesn't cooperate.
So we're here in the lanes for our second pass of the day, which I think it might be the last, because they're closing the lanes in about 15 minutes and I still have a few cars in front of me. Hoping with the changes we did, we can at least get a decent pass. Honestly, my goal here was to figure out the whole clutch issue we've been having since the last event we attended. We're trying to pinpoint what the issue actually is. So we made small changes with adjusting the clutch pedal itself, seeing if that'll somewhat fix the issue. We also are thinking that this tranny just can't hold the RPMs that we're pushing it to. So we lowered down the shift light to 80, 85, which that's where I was shifting at the first time around when I first brought the car out, because I kept short shifting it. Let's see if we're able to get some data, something at least. It didn't help the last pass, the data log, it didn't record the pass. Hoping for the best. This is the last event of the year, hoping to end it on a good note.
All the way complete.
All the way complete.
All the way.
Take the data log.
Oh, because the data log told me, oh yeah, she looked good.
Yeah. It's the same exact thing. I'll go for vertical, I died.
Who's yours?
How convenient. It rolls and the GoPro dies.
Yeah, right. She deleted the video. Coincidence, right? She probably tossed the battery at the return room.
Watch how that shit turns on.
Oh, it turned on. Nope, it turned on. I don't want to hear it.
It didn't die.
It says 4% of me.
That's exactly what it did. I started recording for a few seconds and then it turned off.
What a coincidence. Something happens, there's no GoPro video. Oh, that's it.